Hello, in this video I will show you how to take a backup of your Moodle course. So first of all, log into this system using your credentials. Now let's say this is the course that you have developed. So just click there. In the left side of the panels in the administration, you can see there is a backup option, right? You just click on the backup option. Now you can see various options are there, which are most commonly required things are actually checked in. So you can just say the default things are okay for you. So all these things are checked. So these are the materials that you have developed. So all these things are checked, and we are not taking the user's data for the backup. So now you can say another next. So perform the backup. So now you can see a backup file was successfully created. Now you say continue. Now you can see the latest file with this type of a name with .mbz. Basically this is a zip file which can be understood by the Moodle system, and the backup date will be here, the size will be here. Now you can say download. So you download the file. So you have the file now in your local system, right? So let's see the file. So yeah, this is the file, right? So now the backed up course is there in your local system. Now in say some unfortunate situations, the Moodle system has been crashed, your administrator will be able to create a new Moodle system for you, but there is no need to do the course again. So you have the backup, and you have an option called restore. So now you see, by clicking restore, you can actually choose the already backed up file, and you can say restore. Since the course is now in the system, there is no need to restore it. But if you need a maybe the course in a fresh system, then you can always do the restore system. So it is advised, whenever you find that your course is almost complete, then it's a good thing that you take a backup of your course and download it in the local system, so that maybe at any point of time we can restore the course irrespective of the version of the Moodle system, right? So this is the how to make a course backup and restore in Moodle. Thank you.